Hello students. This is just a short mini lesson of what we did in class today when you have fractions in equations and how to solve. Second and fourth period today had this maze to complete. First and third period had a very similar maze. They had this one, but regardless of what period you're in, you can follow instruction for this. I'm going to pick a problem on here. I don't know if it's one that you'll end up solving in your maze, but we're gonna, here we go. I'll pick this one right here at the bottom. 9/10 x plus 5 equals -4. So we want to start just like a regular equation, undoing. We do order of operations in reverse. So we're going to start, we have the plus 5 here, we're going to subtract 5 from both sides. That cancels out. I bring down my 9/10 x equals, now here I have -4 minus 5. If I write that straight across, -4 minus 5, and do my slash slash, that equals -9. My next step, I've got the 9/10 x equals -9. We are going to take the multiplicative inverse of 9/10 or the reciprocal and multiply that by both sides. The reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse of 9/10 is 10 over 9. So I multiply both sides times 10 over 9. This is simply a shortcut to what we've been doing before. Before we would multiply both sides by 9, or excuse me, divide both sides by 9 and then multiply both sides by 10, but using the multiplicative inverse does it in one step. On the left-hand side, we ended up with 10 times 9 is 90 over 90, which is 1x, and then multiply this out. -9 times 10 is -90, 1 times 9 is 9, and then we simplify it. -90 divided by 9 is -10. Now, everyone also had to check these, and you have to show it in writing. So when you go to check your problem, write the equation, but instead of writing x, I'm going to put what I got for x. So, and that is 9/10 times x. So I'm going to do 9/10 times 10, or 10 over 1, plus 5 equals -4. I'm just going back to the original equation, inserting my x equals -10 for x. I'm going to multiply first, so 9 times -10 is -90, 10 times 1 is 10, plus 5 equals -4. -90 divided by 10, -9, plus 5 equals -4, and -9 plus 5, I'm adding a positive and a negative, so I do subtract, take the sign of the one with the largest absolute value, and -4 equals -4. So I have correctly done the problem when we solved it over here. You can use this example and follow along to complete the rest of your maze, showing all the steps and showing the check. Thank you.